my car, what's up with my car, what's up with my car, hey, what's up with my car? Don't lie about town. See to it like this. Taxi cab is mad at us, but he won't last. Rolling down the highway, drivers let me know. The morning sun is on its way. You know it's time to go. Hey, check on my car, check on my car, my coffee, check on my car. Hey, check on my car. Oh yeah, yeehaw! Yes sir, I'm a truck. You can't look it that way.
Will you just please stop it? That is so annoying.
Oh, but it's fun to sing. Don't you like to sing? It makes me happy, you know?
Okay, that's it. I'm done with this. I can't stand you anymore, truck. I'm going to sell you.
Well, but I thought we were like best friends. You can't do that.
Yes, I can.
No, but the show. The show is called Trickle My Cough.
I'm changing the show then. After I sell you, I'll make a new name for the show. It'll be called The Dumb Show.
Oh yeah, very original. Just like everything else you name.
Hey, you just keep talking. I might sell you to a hobo.
Oh, but I'm friends with hobos, so that'll be pretty good.
I'm not selling you to hobo then. Hello, sir. Would you like to buy this truck?
Me?
Yes, it's a talking truck.
I'm dead, actually.
Whoa, that was kind of weird. Hello, sir. Would you like to buy this truck?
Yeah, I eat flies, yeah!
Is that a yes?
Tuck the tires! Chew on curtains!
Alright, then. I'll sell you this truck.
Woohoo! Go dumpster diving!
Alright, hey new master. It's nice to see you.
Oh yeah! Can I talk to your tires?
Oh, I guess you can talk about tires.
The Dumb Show. Hello, this is The Dumb Show. Today I'm going to be interviewing someone. Say hello, ladies and gentlemen, to Mr. Whiskers.
Yes, I'm Mr. Whiskers. I work for the Cat City News Show.
So, what kind of things do you do?
Yes, my job is to deliver news, but I also deliver happiness with my cute face.
That's very interesting. How about... Whoa, what?
Is there something wrong?
No, I just thought I saw something outside. So tell me about your day-to-day work.
Yes, I go into the newsroom, I talk about news, and then I get out of the newsroom. That's about how my day is.
Oh, that's very... What? What is that?
What? Where?
Nothing. So, next talking truck. I mean, next question. What do you do for your free time?
Oh, you know, average stuff. Play with string, drink milk, sleep a lot. What?
A truck! It's a truck!
Yes, that's a truck. What about it?
A truck!
Many months later.
Truck. Hello, Mr. Dumb Hat Guy. Would you like to try our session over again? The truck! Talking truck! Yes, tell me about the talking truck. It's okay. Just tell me about it. It talks, and it's a truck, and it likes to talk. Yes, okay.
Yeah, talking tires is pretty good. Sure.
Oh, eat flies. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, eat flies? Sure. Wow, this guy doesn't have very interesting conversations. It's mostly just the same thing over and over again.
Woohoo! Talking to tires.
Yep.